has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodbridge or near Bowling Brook, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing large hail and wind damage. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Westchester, LaGrange, Forest Park, Justice, River Forest, Summit, Lyons, Burr Ridge, Riverside, Stickney, and Willow Springs. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 294. Interstate 88 near mile marker 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 45 and 62. Interstate 290 between mile markers 16 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 45 and 62. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Toyota Park, Triton College, University of Chicago, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, A Cellular Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wrigley Field, the Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National